Good afternoon, this is John from Two Doves Bees and Gardens. Sarah's here with me, and we're about to take the plastic off of this solarization patch. This, as you may remember, this is our ongoing series of solarizing and killing Bermuda grass in a field and making a production vegetable and flower garden out of it, make it something pretty. This patch is a patch that I took the lawnmower to, and all I did was mow the grass as low as I possibly could with my lawnmower, and then we kind of threw a little water on it and covered it with plastic, and we haven't opened it since then. It's been what, 8 weeks?
I think it's been longer.
Yeah, it might have maybe 10 weeks, but it's been a while. So we're about to see what's under here for the first time, and we'll bring you with us. Hang on. Okay, well, let's see what we got here. We're gonna pull. Should we pull the plastic this way?
Yes.
Okay. Well,
I'm thinking let's fold it a little bit at a time. So.
It's a one-way ticket world on the runaway train. It's a lifetime search.
Okay, well, we got it off, and for the most part, it looks pretty good. Let me bring the camera over.
And there's Bermuda grass here, and another weed.
Yep. But for the most part, it did a pretty good job with just mowing it down and laying plastic over it. There was a couple of spots that didn't get as solarized. That might have been where maybe some water was sitting on top of it. But overall, you can see that this patch of dirt, this patch of ground, has been solarized pretty darn good. I probably need to rake the dead stuff out, and then we'll go over it. So what were you saying about this side over here, Sarah, with where the grass still has a little bit of life in it?
I was saying that this area gets more shade. We have a big tree above us, and it probably didn't get hot enough to kill it all because it wasn't in the sun for as much of the day.
Yeah, I could definitely, all the stuff on that side over there is the first patch of little tiny bit of green, I think, is probably right in here.
Yep.
And
then a little
that's
more.
That's almost where the line of the sun hits. It doesn't get it until noon, afternoon, before it would hit here.
And there's more progressively as we get closer to the end and closer to the shade.
Yeah, that's true. So anyway, this has been another one of our attempts. Certainly, I would say so far that where it was forked and tilled came out much better than the mowing, but I'm quite satisfied with this.
Even with this, if for doing it again, I think I would just mow it, because paying to have it forked and tilled beforehand for these few weeds, to do it again, it's not worth the money for just these few that we can get out ourselves.
Yeah, no, I agree. The one good thing is that we're doing it that way, and having our friend come and do he basically dragged it and then did some tilling a little bit for us. Kind of used a skid steer with some forks, and then I came behind with a hand tiller. The difference is that he can do a much bigger patch than we can do at one time.
Yes.
So.
And it made it level.
And it made it level.
Which is a huge help.
Yep. So anyway, that's where we're at for today, and we get to do some more moving and working, and we'll continue to share our journey with you, bringing this patch of grass into a beautiful garden, and we appreciate you hanging out with us. This has been John
and Sarah
from Two Doves Bees and Gardens. Thanks
for hanging out with us.